A black hole is where the universe breaks. Out in space are objects so extreme, they break physics itself.
Spooky!
Black holes. The most powerful, mysterious things we know of. By the end, you'll know what happens if you fall into one. First, a black hole is not a giant cosmic vacuum cleaner. It doesn't fly around the galaxy, sucking everything up. It's simply a place where gravity got impossibly strong. So strong that not even light can escape it. That's why it looks pitch black. Light goes in and never returns. So how do you make something that powerful? When a giant star runs out of fuel, it violently collapses. All its mass gets crushed into a single tiny point. That point is called a singularity. And it's infinitely small. Around it is an invisible boundary, the event horizon. Cross that line, and there is no coming back. Ever.
Point of no return!
Now, what if you fell in? Gravity would pull your feet far harder than your head. You'd stretch out like a long, thin piece of spaghetti.
Yikes, pass the sauce!
Scientists really do call it spaghettification. And the closer you get, the weirder time becomes. Near a black hole, time itself slows down dramatically. To someone watching, you'd seem to freeze at the edge forever. Black holes don't just twist space, they twist time too. And they come in absolutely monstrous sizes. The biggest are supermassive. Millions to billions of suns. And almost every galaxy has one hiding at its center, including ours. It's called Sagittarius A star.
It's right here!
Don't worry though. It's 26,000 light years away. In 2019, we even took the first real photo of one. A glowing ring of light around a pit of pure darkness. But here's the strangest part of all. Black holes are slowly leaking away and dying.
Even they die?
Stephen Hawking discovered they give off a tiny glow. Over countless trillions of years, they evaporate completely. And nobody knows where the stuff that falls in truly goes. And some scientists think it could even birth a brand new universe. And telescopes keep finding black holes that shouldn't exist, like giant ones from when the universe was just a baby.
Mind blown!
Black holes are where everything we know stops making sense. So, would you ever dare to peek inside one? Next trip, are we alone in this gigantic universe?
I hope not!
If this blew your mind, smash subscribe for more. Follow Cosmic Trips. The universe only gets weirder from here.
Smash that subscribe button, human! See you next trip!